We'll guide you through how to turn on a laptop for the first time. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've just gone and got yourself a new laptop and now you're ready to go and turn it on for the first time. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So I literally just took this straight out of the box. I went and took off the screen cover. And now I'm ready to go and turn it on. Plug it into the power. So you can go and see here, I've gone and plugged the power adapter into the laptop. You're gonna find it either on the left usually, but it can also be on the right sometimes. Then what you need to do is you want to go and plug the other end into a wall adapter, as I already have, just so it's got power, because sometimes it may not come with it. Now, what we need to do is you need to go and locate the power button on the laptop itself. So sometimes it can be one of the keys here. It may go and be a key in the top right. Sometimes there may be an actual button along the top. As you can see in this case, we've got a button here. So now for the first time, what we're gonna do is go and tap and hold it, holding it down as you can see, and then you want to go and release. Then when you release, you go and see the light go and start up. So hold it down for around 3 seconds, and when you release, you go and see the light. And now just go and be patient. As the first time you go and start it up, it may take a little bit longer. As you can see, it's now going and starting the Windows setup, and we can now go and start the process.